All right, so oftentimes an area that gets overlooked, it gets dusted, but never actually deep cleaned is gonna be the AC unit. A lot of hotels have this style of unit. Even if you have vents in the wall, it's a great place to start to remove smells and kind of odor that's built up in the room. Normally you could use a single hole nozzle that's small, you can get in there. We're gonna use the long one to really try to penetrate that clean. Just gives you a little more leverage. But either way, the goal here is simply just to get a lot of heat, a lot of steam into the ventilation system and just kind of flush out everything that's in there. So we're gonna go slow and just really get a lot of heat down in these vents. And the more heat, the more it's gonna break down anything built up in the walls of the system. Now, when you're doing your restorative clean in a hotel room, be sure not to overlook this. This is a target area for smells and build up over time. So make sure you get just a nozzle and steam and go to town.